Japanese sweet potato with miso butter. Coming up. What's up guys? Welcome to another recipe video. My name is Benji Travis. I'm cooking one of the vlog favorites, Japanese sweet potato with miso butter. You guys know we cook this all the time. The kids love it. Not only is it delicious, but it's also healthy, and especially if you're on a diet, this is a great recipe to cook early in the morning. Eat it for breakfast and it'll sustain you literally all throughout the day. The first thing you're gonna wanna do before you get your miso butter ready is prepare your potatoes. Number one, get your oven to 450 degrees. Wash your potatoes, pierce your potatoes with a few holes all around, and get them into the oven. 45 to 60 minutes will be plenty of cooking time. Now, after the 45 to 60 minutes, the way you can tell if it's done is pierce it with a knife. If it pierces smoothly, you're good to go. All right, for the miso butter, as you can see, I've got my room temperature butter. This is 2 sticks. It's important to make sure you have room temperature butter. If you don't have room temperature butter and you're just getting it out of the fridge, just go ahead and set it on the oven and let it soften up. I've also got my miso paste. I'm using about a little over a tablespoon. I like white miso, but any miso would work. Also, I've got my green onions, which I almost minced up to be able to mix into my miso butter. This is super simple. All you're gonna do is put your miso into the butter. All right, then simply sprinkle on your green onions. Save a little bit for garnish at the very end. Using 2 spoons is really important for this part, and as you can see, the reason you want it room temperature is because if it wasn't room temperature, this would be much more difficult to mix up. One of the things I love about this miso butter is you can actually prepare it the night before or prepare a whole bunch and have it ready for about 2 weeks. So if you're trying to go on a diet and you want to have this every single morning, you can just take it out of the fridge and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and split this right down the middle. You're gonna want to mush it up a little bit with your fork just to break it apart. Then take a little dollop of your miso butter and put it right on. And then you're just gonna mash it up like that. One of the things you can do for kids is actually slice it up into small little squares and make it easier for them to eat. You can eat the skin, but I find that kids don't really like that texture. I like to eat the skin because it is healthy for you and there's a lot of good nutrients. One thing I like to do is add a little togarashi to this just to give it a little kick. This is absolutely optional, but I like the spice of the togarashi. Boom! Japanese sweet potato with miso butter. You guys, so delicious. Let me taste this right now. I want to eat all of it right now. It's so good. People are gonna think that you were working on this all day. Super quick, nutritious, delicious. Shout out to epicurious.com. That's where I got the recipe years ago, and I love it. You guys, you're gonna love it. The kids will love it. And like I said, it's something that's gonna sustain you throughout the day. If you guys are interested in more recipes, click right here, the playlist. If you guys are interested in just all the videos on my channel, click right here. You guys, you know I love food. I know you guys love food. Keep cooking. Talk to you later.